Most people don't realize it, but poverty is a mindset. It's a set of destructive patterns, beliefs, and actions that hold you back. Today, we're going to shatter those chains, break free from that mindset, and step into a life of abundance. If you're spending more than you make, you're not just broke, you're enslaved to debt. You're living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed, and always one unexpected bill away from disaster. Stop trying to keep up with the Joneses. Stop buying things you don't need to impress people you don't even like. Imagine the freedom of being debt-free, the peace of mind knowing that you're in control of your finances, not the other way around. Take control of your spending. Track every penny, create a budget, and stick to it. It won't be easy at first, but every small step you take towards financial discipline will bring you closer to your goal. You wouldn't try to build a skyscraper without a blueprint, would you? So why are you trying to build wealth without a financial plan? Financial literacy is the key to unlocking your financial potential. Learn how money works, how to invest, how to make your money work for you. Read books, take courses, talk to financial advisors. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to create a life of financial freedom. Set clear financial goals, both short-term and long-term, and develop a plan to achieve them. Your thoughts become your reality. If you constantly tell yourself you're poor, you'll always be poor. It's time to rewrite the script. Start believing in yourself, in your ability to create a better future. Believe that you deserve wealth, that you are capable of achieving great things. Surround yourself with positive affirmations, with people who uplift and inspire you. Visualize your success, feel it in your bones, and let that drive you forward. Remember, you are not your past mistakes. You are not your current circumstances. You are the architect of your future. Your body is your temple, your vehicle for success. If you're not taking care of it, you're sabotaging your own potential. Imagine the energy, the focus, the drive you'll have when you're fueling your body with nutritious food, when you're exercising regularly and getting enough sleep. You'll be unstoppable. Treat your body like the precious gift it is, and it will reward you with vitality, resilience, and the ability to conquer any challenge. Make healthy choices, prioritize your well-being, and watch your productivity and overall happiness soar. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If they're negative, broke, and unmotivated, guess what? That's who you'll become. Choose your friends wisely. Surround yourself with winners, with people who are ambitious, driven, and who believe in your potential. Their energy will rub off on you. Their success will inspire you. Together, you can rise to new heights. Attend networking events, join mastermind groups, and build relationships with people who are already where you want to be. Their wisdom and guidance can be invaluable. Break these habits, and you'll break the cycle of poverty. It won't be easy, but it will be the most rewarding journey of your life. Your future self will thank you. Imagine waking up every day with a sense of purpose, with the confidence that you're on the path to financial freedom. Imagine the life you can create, the impact you can make, when you're no longer held back by limiting beliefs and destructive habits. You are not your past. You are not your circumstances. You are a force of nature, capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. The time to change is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Start small and keep going. Every step you take towards breaking these habits is a step towards a brighter future. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe to GrowRich for more life-changing content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Remember, your future is in your hands. Go out there and make it happen.